Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll learn how to get host a record from the DNS. So there are multiple ways to get these things. You can open the DNS and you can just open forward lookup zone and select your zone. This is my simple test environment, so I'm only having single zone. You must have more zone, not must, but you may have some other zones as well in your DNS. So here I can see these are my hosted record and these are the associated IP for those computers. And you can also run this command nslookup and type the computer name and you will get if that entry is existing with the IP address. So, and you can also use the PowerShell, not this one. Okay. Okay. So you can also use the PowerShell, this command, and see you will get the information. Okay. host name, resources type, record type or type, time is stamp when they were created, time to live, and your record delta, which is showing IP address. But I also got a request, one of my colleagues saying that I need to automate this by using manage service account. So now we will see how to get this same information by using the task scheduler and we will use our manage service account. I have created some videos about manage service account, how to use them. You can watch them properly to understand how to create a manage service account, how to use that, and how to run those things, how to run the backup by using the manage service account. You can watch my those videos and you will get almost I would say all the information. Okay, so once you create a managed service account, you will see that managed service account here. So what you need to decide where that computer will be, sorry, managed service account will be used, or which computer can use that particular managed service account. Managed service account, we are having two types, group managed service account and a stand-alone managed service account. But I am going to create managed service account because it is easy to use and it can be used with multiple computers. So this is the CMD let that I need to run. So you need to replace this with one account that you want to create in your account in your Active Directory. So I am using this. You can have any other thing. This is the DNS name of your computer where this account will be used or which computer can use this account. So that is not 100% sure. If you are using this, another computer can also use this depending on the situation they are doing. Hyphen principal allowed to retrieve manage password. So this is a group actually. If you are adding only single computer, want to use single computer, you can just change this with your computer name like INDESQL01. But I am creating group so that in future, if any other computer want to use the same account, they can use. Otherwise, they will have to create the new one, or we can also modify as well. So group is not mandatory part. You can skip this if you want to, but something you need to put here, server name or server's name. But this approach is considered a good. So I will create one group here, same group that I mentioned my PowerShell here, and the server that will use that my managed service account that should be added here as a member of. So INDESQL01. So as I said, group managed service account can be used by multiple computers. So if you want, you can add other computers here as well, now or later. Depends up to you how you want to proceed. So now I need to run this, and you will see something under manage service account. Just need to refresh and you will get your manage service account. So just copy this and okay, that part we do later. Just to show you properly, log in here. Okay, same thing I can do here as well. This is why I am able to do this. Yeah, that is also necessary to understand. That is not my domain controller, not a DNS server as well, but I have installed a feature, one feature. What I did, I came here and I came here, remote server administrator tool. I came here and I selected this. Okay, earlier it was not there because this role is important here to, sorry, not role, feature is important to get the information from Active Directory or DNS, not Active Directory, from the DNS. If you need to manage Active Directory, you need to select this ADDS, this one. I have created another videos as well, how to use and install RSET tool on different operating system by using different method. You can also watch my those videos as well. So that is already done, and if I run this, I can get this. Again, I am saying you can export this if you want to, and you will get your report under your folder where whichever has been defined here. Now, okay. Now, okay. Now we'll come here and we will create a one task scheduler. So that is also simple. Create task. Give a name. DNSAccess. Okay. And I need to change it here before I forget. No. Okay. So I came here again. DNSAccess. Now it will run by using user account Ratan. Run with user logged or not. Run highest privilege. If you want to select, and you can select this as well and come here. You can select your time when you want to run this, but I have no issue. I do not want to do this manually daily. I want to just test for this time. And action. Okay, for the action I have already copied, so put this on your here, and that will be your script location. So I will show you. I have put one script in this location. Do not delete DNS query.ps1. Okay. Okay. Optional is fine. Condition, nothing is required. Just remember, allow task to be run on demand is selected. It is required if you want to run your task manually anytime, then it is required. Otherwise, you can skip this as well or remove once your testing is done. So here I need to put my password. Okay. Now we need to go here. See, do not delete DNS query, you can just open this. Okay, same thing that you saw in our previous PowerShell. Okay, so that is already done. Now, if I want to run this, you can see under the tab nothing is there. If you run this, if everything is fine, then we should get the information. We can see 2 KB, it means something is there, so that is there. Now we can delete this. Now question is, I was saying I will run this task by using my manage service account. So now it is running by using Ratan. No problem, we will change this Ratan with my manage service account. So there are multiple ways to create the scheduled task by using this particular manage service account, but I use this simple way. Create the task by using any other account which is having the permission or required permissions and test this. If everything is fine, just run this command, then you are done with your requirement. So here what is nothing, it says change, it will remain same till here. This is the name of your task scheduler. If you say anything else, that should be here, and the RU remains same, this RP also remains same. This is my domain name and that is my managed service account. Please remember to add the dollar. Okay, now let's run this. It gives some error, I don't know why, but you can say the parameter of scheduled task DNSAccess have been changed. Okay, refresh this, come here, and you will see one magic thing. Again, you want to modify something, run this task scheduler by using, or I would say modify anything whatever you want to, and once you are going to apply, it will ask you the username password. Give any other username, like I'm using Ratan, and again run this PowerShell cmd-let and you will get your required information. So now I will run this again. I want to confirm nothing is here. Okay, select this and we should run this. Refresh. Okay, launch failure. What happened? Okay, so it is giving the error. What is the reason for failure? I know, but I want to just show you if we can get any information here. Okay, event properties. What is saying? Task start failed, keyword 1, event ID 101. I know why it is happening. Okay, so that is my service account. I will copy this and I can go to system and I can come here export-DNS, right click, left, yeah, security, okay, add, select this, and here you need to select this service account. Okay, strike to check, you will see something. If you do not select, for example, if you are forgetting to select this service account, it will give you one group that has been created for this purpose, which is bound with this. For example, let's remove this. You are okay. Now it is saying gMSADNS reader. Maybe it is coming because starting is same, but it is not searching another one, right? So I need to select this one, this one, and select carefully and select this, and you just ensure that that is only selected. If you want to give other permission as well, that is a fine. Otherwise, this is fine for read. And delete and create hoster record, not Jones, only hoster record. You can try any of lab if you want to. Okay, let's see what is happening. It is always good idea to refresh or log off and log in. Let's try first. Again we got the error, no problem. Let's log off. Okay, first we need to save this. I need this later. 123 desktop. So I'm just setting, not signing out my member server. You cannot use manage service account to login, or you can say interactive login, because no one knows the password except computer. Computer, only the computer or computers that have been set to manage the retrieve password. So task scheduler, okay, DNS reader is not running. Launch is getting failure again and again. Let's take a single reboot. System has been rebooted. So open task scheduler, library, okay, select this and run. Wow, running. Let's refresh, showing ready. Now task completed, action completed. Let's go to the location. It is having some. So now you can say yes, we are having information by using manage service account, and we can use the same way to get other things as well. So step may be a little bit different, but as I said, I have created another video how to manage backup by using the manage service account. Now we can say how to get the DNS information by using the manage service account. You can still use standalone manage service account, but you need to install that, and that can be used for the single server. And so that's why I do not prefer now, because if you are having the better option, there is no need to go with the things that is only minimizing or confine. But again, depend on the company to company how they want to do this, how they want to use this. So you just follow with your company's policies. If they ask you to use the managed service standalone managed service account, you can go for that. If they ask you to use group managed service account, you should go for that. But there are two main big difference that I can tell you now. Standalone account can be used with a single server. Group managed account can be used with the more than one server. Second thing is group manage, there is no need to install group manage service account, so you can save your time. And second thing is standalone account should be installed. If you want to use standalone account on another server, then you need to set that particular server in the access password can be retrieved and install that particular account on a particular server. I will add all those scripts or commands that we ran in this video so that you can use if you want to. So that's all. If you like, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.